Cancun like you've never seen it before. Aerial shot of the hotel zone surrounded by turquoise water. This is why millions flock to Cancun each year. Underwater clip of snorkeling with colorful fish. Crystal clear Caribbean waters stretch far as the eye can see, inviting you to dive into a world of wonder. White, powdery sand beaches await your footsteps, promising the ultimate relaxation experience. But wait, there's more. Let me show you the hidden gems that'll make your jaw drop. Quick cuts to lesser-known beaches, secluded coves, and pristine shorelines that most tourists never discover. This is your chance to escape the crowds and find your own slice of paradise. Panning shot of an infinity pool overlooking the ocean. Imagine yourself here, sipping a cocktail as the sun dips below the horizon. Cancun's luxury knows no bounds. Quick transitions between rooftop bars and beach clubs. From chic rooftop bars to vibrant beach clubs, the options for indulgence are endless. But if you're craving adventure, Cancun's got you covered. Fast-paced montage of ziplining, parasailing, and jet skiing. Feel the rush as you soar through the jungle canopy, glide over turquoise waters, or race across the waves. The adrenaline junkie in you will thank me later. Underwater footage of colorful coral reefs, and just beneath the surface, a whole new world awaits. Dive into vibrant reefs teeming with marine life. It's like swimming in a living rainbow. Now, let's take a step back in time. Shots of El Rey ruins. Cancun isn't just about beaches and parties. The ancient Mayans left their mark here, and you can walk in their footsteps. Quick cuts between El Meco ruins and a teaser of Chichen Itza. From local sites to world-famous wonders, the history buff in you will be in heaven. But let's not forget about the food. Montage of street food stalls, mouth-watering tacos, crispy marquesitas, and fresh coconut water straight from the source. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Time-lapse of sunrise over the sea now. Prepare to be mesmerized. Cancun's sunrises are pure magic. Watch as the sky explodes with color, painting the sea in shades of gold and pink. Drone shot of sun setting behind the lagoon, and when day turns to night, the show's just beginning. Fast cuts of Coco Bongo, beach parties, and live shows. Cancun comes alive after dark. World-famous nightclubs, beachfront bashes, and electrifying performances. The party never stops. Clips of street performers and festivals. Even the streets pulse with energy, from talented buskers to vibrant festivals that'll have you dancing till dawn. But wait, I've saved the best for last. Aerial view of a cenote hidden just outside the city. These natural sinkholes are like portals to another world. Crystal clear freshwater pools surrounded by lush jungle. It's Mother Nature at her finest. Quick cuts between Isla Blanca and Isla Mujeres, and if you thought Cancun's beaches were stunning, wait till you see these nearby islands. Pristine shores, fewer crowds, and views that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. Drone shot of a secret sandbar. Imagine standing on a sliver of sand in the middle of the Caribbean, turquoise water stretching in every direction. These hidden sandbars are the ultimate tropical escape. Final montage of Cancun's best moments, from heart-pumping adventures to serene natural wonders. Cancun is a destination that truly has it all. Whether you're seeking relaxation, culture, or non-stop excitement, this Mexican paradise delivers. So, what's your dream Cancun activity? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want more hidden spots and insider travel tips, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, keep dreaming of those turquoise waters and white sand beaches. Cancun is calling. Will you answer? Hashtag Cancun, hashtag beach paradise, hashtag travel vlog, hashtag Mexico magic, hashtag viral video. Cancun like you've never seen it before. Prepare to be amazed as we take you on a journey through paradise. Aerial shot of hotel zone. This is why millions visit Cancun each year. Underwater clip of snorkeling, crystal clear Caribbean waters teeming with vibrant marine life. Pan across white sand beach. Powdery white sand stretches as far as the eye can see. But we're not just here for the postcard perfect beaches. Get ready to discover Cancun's hidden gems and adrenaline-pumping adventures. Quick cuts of lesser-known beaches escape the crowds at secluded spots like Playa Delfines or Playa Chacmol. Feel like you have paradise all to yourself. Infinity pool overlooking the ocean. Indulge in luxury at world-class resorts. Rooftop bar at sunset. Sip cocktails with breathtaking views. Lively beach club. Dance the day away at trendy beach clubs. But Cancun isn't just about relaxation. It's an adventure seeker's playground. Ziplining through jungle, soar through lush rainforests. Parasailing over turquoise water. Get a bird's eye view of the coastline. Jet skiing in the lagoon. Feel the rush as you skim across crystal clear waters. Snorkeling in coral reef. Dive into an underwater wonderland. Swim alongside tropical fish in vibrant coral gardens. Keep your eyes peeled for sea turtles gliding by. Cancun isn't just a beach destination, it's steeped in rich history and culture. Pen across El Rey ruins. Explore ancient Mayan ruins right in the heart of the hotel zone. Quick shot of Chichen Itza or take a day trip to the world-famous Chichen Itza. Street food stall. Tantalize your taste buds with authentic Mexican flavors. Close-up of tacos. Sink your teeth into mouth-watering tacos all pastor. Vendor making marquesitas. Try marquesitas, a local sweet treat. Person drinking from fresh coconut. Quench your thirst with refreshing coconut water straight from the source. Time-lapse of sunrise over the sea. Witness magical sunrises that paint the sky in brilliant hues. Drone shot of sunset over lagoon. End your day with breathtaking sunsets that set the city aglow. When the sun goes down, Cancun comes alive. Flashing lights of Coco Bongo. Experience the legendary nightlife at Coco Bongo. Beach party with fire dancers. Dance on the sand at sizzling beach parties. Cirque du Soleil style performance. Be mesmerized by world-class shows and entertainment. Street performers in downtown Cancun. Immerse yourself in local culture with vibrant street performances. Festival parade. Time your visit right to catch colorful festivals that showcase Mexican traditions. But wait, there's more! Cancun has some surprises up its sleeve. Cenote with crystal clear water. Take a refreshing dip in mystical cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with pristine water. Aerial view of Isla Blanca. Escape to the untouched beauty of Isla Blanca, a hidden paradise just north of Cancun. Ferry approaching Isla Mujeres or hop on a quick ferry to laid-back Isla Mujeres for a change of pace. Drone shot of secret sandbar. Discover hidden sandbars that emerge at low tide, creating your own private oasis. Kayaking through mangroves. Explore serene lagoons teeming with wildlife. From heart-pumping adventures to tranquil escapes, Cancun has it all. This is just a taste of what awaits you in this tropical paradise. What's your dream Cancun activity? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't miss out on more hidden spots and insider travel tips. Hit that subscribe button for your ticket to adventure. Hashtag Cancun, hashtag beach paradise, hashtag travel vlog, hashtag Mexico magic, hashtag viral video. Fast-paced montage of Cancun highlights. Cancun, where turquoise waters meet ancient history, and every moment is an Instagram-worthy memory. Start planning your escape to paradise today.